Hello guys, so once again you are all welcome to Crypto TV. So please if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates on how to make money online. So guys, today I'll be showing you a particular platform that you can actually make some amount of USDT from it. So stay with me while we jump onto this particular platform I'm talking about. So guys, once again I just want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Today I had a total number of 242 members, so thank you all. So guys, today I'll be showing this particular platform. The platform is called 8080usdt.com. so guys, before you can actually jump onto this particular platform, you need to first of all register a new account with them. So I'll sign out and sign in so that I'll show you how to register a new account. So when I refresh my page over here, you see not registered yet over here, so I'll click on it. So when I click on it, you see email over here. You type in your email, your password, then you confirm the password. So you need to use my referral link in the description box so that you could be able to get the invitation code. So after that, you click on sign up button over here. So that's all you basically need to do, guys. I already have an account, so I'll just click on login. So if I log in right now, you can see my total asset over here. I have 51.05 USDT over here, which I currently have 36.322 in investment, and I have this 8.2 withdrawable over here. So guys, this is the whole thing. So this is the dashboard of this platform. This is the dashboard of my account over here. So whenever you log in, so this is the deposit button, the withdrawal button, sign in button, and your referrals or your team. So if you want to deposit into this particular platform, you just click on the deposit button over here. So when you click on it, you could see that a USDT TRC20 wallet will be generated over here. You just click on copy to copy the address, head back to your Binance account or your Trust wallet, then you deposit into this particular platform. The minimum deposit is 10 USDT. So if you want to withdraw you just click on withdrawal over here. So when you click on withdrawal, you will see my available withdrawal balance is 8.2. I'm not yet to withdraw it, so you just type in your withdrawal balance over here, which is 8.2, then you type your password. So guys, that's all you basically need to do, and each and every day you need to sign in so that you can get you will get some cash, USDT cash over here. So that's all you basically need to do in order to get this cash. Also, you need to click on my team. So when you click on my team over here, as you can see, I have a downline and I've received a commission of 9.22 over here. You also can share your referral link so that you could be able to get this commission. So you click on copy your referral link over here, you share it with your friends and family so that you could be able to earn more. So when you click on our account over here, you can see that we have 51.15 USDT. So you click on your profile over here, you could see my investment, my member level, wallet management, and the rest. So first of all, when you click on wallet management over here, if you want to add your wallet for withdrawal, just click on add over here. So when you click on add over here, you just select TRC20, you paste the wallet over here, then you click on save button over here. That's what you basically need to do in order to update your withdrawal wallet. So when you click on my investment here too, you could see the particular days left for your investment. You could see the ongoing investment and the complete investment over here. You could see your interest, your principal, the income over here. So guys, that's all you basically need to do in order to perform on this platform to get USDT for yourself. So first of all, you need to deposit before you can actually get some cash over here. So when you click on invest over here, so when you click on it, you could see some investment project over here. So the first one, when you invest 10 USDT, you get 0.5 USDT in addition to your 10. Also, when you click on the second one, the second plan, 3 days plan, when you invest 10 USDT, you'll be getting 0.6 for 3 days. So that would be 1.8 USDT. The third one, to when deposit a total amount of 50 USDT, you'll be getting 3.5 USDT for 7 days. So 3 times 7 is 21. So making 21 in addition to your 50, so 74 USDT. So it goes on and on. So guys, this is all you basically need to do on this particular platform in order to get more money. So thank you all for watching Crypto TV. If you find my videos really informative and educative, kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that I could be able to get more videos from me whenever I release a new video. Also kindly share and promote Crypto. Thank you all.